man there seen buried. He's trying to surface as the rescue teams, one of them has shot this image as well. Rescue teams have tried to get to him. We hear he's been rescued to safety. Let me cut to Shilpa Nair for more on that. Shilpa, please explain this image that we have on our screens here. This really shows the tragedy that unfolds in Wayanad. Even as I speak, hundreds of them are stranded, and I see one man trying desperately to emerge from that mud and the flood that's all wiped out maybe his home, maybe some of the hamlets and shops and areas at the commercial area that maybe anywhere in that vicinity, all has been destroyed. This man trying to surface, has he been rescued?
Well, Nabila, we are still awaiting the confirmation on whether he has been rescued, but the rescue teams were desperately trying to reach out to this particular man, because from the visuals you can see how he's been completely trapped by the mud and all the land there. His lower body is completely trapped under the mud, and he's of course alive, and he's been asking out for help. And rescue teams have been desperately struggling to reach him. Remember, Nabila, Wayanad. As is, Wayanad is a very tough terrain. It's a hill station. There are very hairpin roads, and the terrain itself is tough. And add to that, this landslide that has taken place, there's a lot of water that's gushing in. There's large boulders that have come, that is broken off, and it's completely scattered all over the place. There's a lot of mud. You don't know what is underneath. So there's a lot of challenges for the rescue team personnel as well. So that is the reason why even they are struggling at this point in time. The weather conditions also not really helping, because there's a red alert for Wayanad, and not just Wayanad, other northern districts in Kerala. So that is also hampering the rescue operations at this point in time. So several such very, very heartbreaking whistles coming in from Wayanad, where in fact we have been told that some of the bodies were recovered from the flowing river. And that is when locals saw bodies just gushing in the water, and they managed to pull those bodies up. So that's the kind of situation prevailing in Wayanad at this point in time. And all agencies, of course, the full attention being given to rescue and relief operations at this point in time to ensure that they reach to places that are completely cut off, where maximum number of people are believed to be trapped at this point in time. So that, of course, is
Right,
the main
Shilpa, as we know, we see that the state government in Kerala is doing all it can to ensure rescue operations are in full force and swing. They've appealed to the center as well to help them with the Indian Army. In fact, we hear the Army has also stepped up their efforts. They've been deployed to aid in this rescue mission. So all help has been put in place.